A lot of variability in the weather pattern across southwestern Montana this afternoon. Flakes are flying sideways with snow and wind in Butte, but east of the divide, well, temperatures are in the 60s, so it just depends on what side of this front you're on. This front will continue to drive towards the east and eventually catching up to central and eastern Montana, but we're behind the front Butte, and you can see Homestake Pass very wet. Snow likely to continue. Could be some minor accumulations, but I think road temperatures are warm enough that it's melting as it hits the ground, but not the case over McDonald Pass, US 12. Snow is sticking, slushy accumulations that will likely ice up overnight, and Georgetown Lake and even down towards Big Hole Pass between Dillon and Wisdom is picking up low visibility and plenty of wet snow at this hour. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Heard. Let's get you up to date with an on-demand storm tracker forecast. And we have a deep trough forming across the Pacific Northwest, and again, a cold front that's slicing across the region. A lot of moisture coming up ahead of this. Just depends on what side of the front you're on. So I'll draw the front in here. So at noon, or actually it's 1 o'clock, you can see warm and windy on this side, but we have cool and windy with increasing snow on that side of the front. So snow accumulations are possible. I think Butte, you could pick up an inch or two out of this, but a lot of this is melting as it hits the ground. Higher elevations will be seeing snow, but it could be a rain-snow mix for the rest of you, and wet weather likely for the remainder of tonight into tomorrow. Most places could be picking up a quarter of an inch or maybe even a little more. It's going to be mostly snow for the remainder of this afternoon, evening for Butte, but it should taper more to a scattered shower activity into early tomorrow morning, and some areas are getting hit harder than others, but a few showers around through a better part of your Tuesday, and then just trending cooler as we look into the middle part of the week. So big flakes are flying right now, and our models are saying it could be rain, but we're already down around freezing, so I don't expect temperatures to get nearly as the modelers are forecasting here. I think we'll stay right around freezing with a chance for snow and snow accumulations likely through the remainder of this afternoon and evening, and watch these wet roads. They could be icy overnight.